Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just bought on Amazon the skin cover for Microsoft Surface keyboard. When you use the Surface keyboard, you will have many problems related to this. The skin peeling everywhere. You can see right here it's look really bad, it's look really ugly. This one is exactly what my Microsoft Surface keyboard looked like before I bought new skin. So I found this one on Amazon. This one is 2-pack Microsoft Surface Pro signature keyboard cover damage repair, I don't know, but you can look the picture over here. This is a full protection for you to use in whole Microsoft Surface keyboard. You can see very detailed image over here. It's have a very thin sticky skin that will protect your Microsoft keyboard. This one is before with a very ugly skin, and this one is after, so it's really great. I bought this one. I have a video that show you how I apply this skin from scratch. I will put this video right in the last of my videos so you guys can have a look. I will quickly show you the result. Okay, as you can see here, this one is the result after you apply the Microsoft Surface skin, and it's look really beautiful compared to this kind of skin. It's very ugly, it's peeling everywhere. So for me, this one is very beautiful. If you want to see how I apply the skin from scratch, you can continue watching my videos till the end. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.